This is Eric Mwathe with Mwathe.com. It's Friday, February 5th, 2009, and we are looking at, right now I'm seeing Bank of America right here making new highs, and the market jumps to new highs for the day. And I have two stock picks for you. One of them is a dumb stock pick, and I'll tell you why. And the other one is I think a relatively very well calculated stock pick, and I'm going to explain to you why. By the way, as the market is making new highs, Dow 151, I'm looking at Morgan Stanley, and it seems to be right at RSI, 30-minute RSI support, and I don't know, feels like it's trading heavy today. MACD is rolling over. And anyway, so I'm going to give you my picks for the day. Like I said, one of them is a smart pick. The other one is a little bit dumb. And I'll tell you why and what I'm looking at. And also, I'm very glad. Hey, we went long yesterday. And today we are, our picks of one broke out yesterday and is following through today. And I think one is breaking out right now. And one had already broken out on Tuesday. But anyway, let's go to the charts. The stock that I think we should be looking at right now as the market makes new highs for the day is Goldman Sachs. And I think we should look at Goldman Sachs as a short. Okay, this is a Goldman Sachs 1 year daily. Now, like I said, it's a dumb idea for many reasons. One of them being that you should never short the strong stocks. You always want to go for the weak stocks. And because Goldman Sachs has been a strong stock, this is a dumb idea, and that's why I call it a dumb idea. Goldman Sachs to me has been a strong stock, but I'll show you why I think we should short it, irrespective. Now, it broke above recent daily resistance right there, and I think I had it as a short around 89, 88, somewhere around here, with a stop when it moved above this line, and so I was wrong. And I might be wrong again, but as it moves, as it broke out of that line and trying to follow through today, I think it's not showing me a lot of strength. And I'll show you what I'm looking at. First and foremost, it's a conditional short, and I'll explain that to you. The RSI seems to be right at resistance or stalling. That's something that we can consider. Okay. And one of the reasons why it's a bad idea to go short on a day when one of the major averages is moving above 50, and right now we see the this is the S&P 1 year daily, which is showing that it moved above its RSI above 50 today. This guarantees the market a huge rally. Like I said, it's not the smartest idea to short Goldman Sachs today, because even the S&P 500 is showing a lot of strength and might close even stronger going out or closing the week. So let me, one of the reasons why I think Goldman Sachs to me seems like it's topping out. This is a Goldman Sachs hourly chart, and the reason being that you see, since it made the move from 87.50 to around 95, Goldman Sachs, it's a nice move, but you notice that for one, the hourly RSI is showing negative divergence. And also the MACDs are showing us negative divergence. So there's not a lot of technical strength as far as I can see. Again, the way I can play this, and this is how I call it a conditional short. We don't short Goldman Sachs right now. What we can do is, first and foremost, this is the low for the day, 91.56. Maybe we should wait for Goldman Sachs to trade below this price. So if you want to short Goldman Sachs and you want to wait for it to move below the day's low, if it happens, that's going to mean it's weak. If it doesn't happen, don't touch it. Okay. At the same time, if once you go short Goldman Sachs, place your stop. I think the high for the day is what is the high? The high for the day is about 94.89 right there. So I think you can put a stop if Goldman Sachs moves above 96. Place a stop if Goldman Sachs moves above 96. Okay. Now, as like I said, it's not the best idea, but if you use it as an entry point with a short only when it moves below the day's low, then that's okay. Now for my smart pick is if we take a look at the Dow Transport Index, this is a 1-year daily. We are seeing it's moving out of this bullish wedge on a day 2 follow through. That's very strong. So I like the transportation sector. We went long one stock yesterday and it's already doing well for us today. So we can play this strength in this instrument, and the way I think we can play that